welcome back to my another video, and today I will be explaining how to use sound blocks. Okay, so let's get started. So first we have a character which is a cute Kiran. Her name is Kiran, as you can see over here, and now we'll play some sounds using her. Okay, so let's get started. So the basic sound, the sound which is already over there by default sound is pop sound, which sounds like this. Okay, so we can change it from here. So we have four options: upload sound, surprise sound, which is any random sound which they pick up, and the record sound. And this one, choose a sound, which is we can choose from hundreds of sounds over here. Not 100, but many sounds. Okay. So here we have some sounds. So basically, we can choose a sound over here. Okay. So these are different types of sounds, like effects, some sort of effects, animal sounds, loops, notes, percussion, space, words, anything. So for now we'll use a space one. And how about alert? Woo. Okay, so you see there are many sounds, and now here we can edit the sounds. Okay, we'll remove this sound by clicking over here, the pop sound, and you can see that we can faster the sound. You see that the sound gets faster. We can undo all that, and we can slow the sound. Okay. And this loud option, it goes louder. Softer option, it goes softer. The voice is lower. The mute, it's silent. Fade in, it sounds starts with a quiet sound. It means it sounds a bit, and then the normal one comes. You can see, okay. And fade out, it goes with a bit high, then low, and like that. This reverse, it turns it back. See. Okay. And this robot, it makes it robotic. Okay. So now we'll go over here and play sound zoop until done, which is the name. So these are two things. Okay. So until done is the other code won't be done until the sound is done playing. Okay. So that's how it works. Okay. So if you do it like this, means I'll take another sprite for example, like let's take a ball for now. Okay, I'll put it over here, and now what I'll do is just a minute. I'll pick a bigger sound. Okay, this is a sound over here. Okay, this sound is by default. I'll pick a sound which is a bit longer so that it's easy to explain. Like this one's okay. And now I'll choose play sound symbol echo until done. So until this isn't done, so the other code which is further it, that won't be processed. Okay. So for example, we'll take hello. Okay. So see. So see that first the sound was done playing and then it spoke hello. Okay, so that's it's working. How does it work? Okay, and I could have done in that sprite also, but I just did it. Okay, then the other option, start sound. This is that it starts the sound and does the other code further. Like wait. Now let's see. Okay, the sound was short. That's why it sounded normal. Okay, so I zoomed in so you can see well the quality of the previous video was quite low. Okay, So now this is done, and now the other option, stop all sounds. It stops all the sounds which are being played. Okay, and this change pitch effect by 10, or we can also change pan left right effect. Okay, so this is what it makes the sound a bit sharper. Okay, the sound is loud, and it hurts the ear, means a bit. You feel that it's quite loud. Okay, so let's try it. I'll put it over here. Okay, underneath it so that it works. Okay, and now let's check. So now it's 10, so it sounds a bit normal. I can change it to 50, so you'll see a difference in the sound. Okay, you heard the difference. Okay, so that's how this option works. I'll remove this. The other option, set pitch effect to 100. It sets it to a particular effect, as I told, like the set the X position and the Y position button, like that. Okay, and this button is over here. Okay, so like I'll change it to 150. Okay, and let's see, we can change it to anything. It's all the same. Okay, so you see how does it work? Okay, so that's the difference. And now clear sound effects, all the effects which we have applied over here, so the effects are removed. Okay, this is the thing, like no, I can't do it with the bigger sound, so I can do it for now, but it's clear, it's very understandable that it clears all the effects. And change volume by -10 or any number, it changes the volume. Like I will do it to 150. Like if we do it a positive number, so of course it's understandable that it it changes the volume by that number, it increases the volume. And if we do it in minus, so it decreases the volume. So let's try. Sorry. So now you hear the sound is a bit louder because we changed. Now I'll minus it. The sound will be heard quite low. So you heard the sound volume is low. Okay, and this is set volume, which sets to a particular volume. Like when we click the green flag, when it starts, so it's 100%, and while playing it changes to -50. Okay, difference. Okay, so this was all for today. Today's videos was quite short, and I wanted to make it short because my videos are going quite long. And do subscribe. We can go to 500 subscribers. They are a bit far, but still we are quite close. And please subscribe, follow my Scratch profile. What are you doing, guys? Please. If you don't have Scratch profile or know any friend who has, then please follow, and you can participate in the shout out competition right still, because that's still going. Okay, so thanks.